information. So you wouldn't know at that time.
Mm.
And then of course, the psychological test can be associated. Parang pwede mong, okay, these are the probable personality traits, the tendencies. But if given a certain situation, you wouldn't know what choice the person would make at that time.
Very, very, very important statement. Hindi mo naman alam kung ano yung papipiliin. Nanonood ka na Netflix? Napanood nyo na yung Carry On? Yung security officer sa Ami Baggage? Diba? Naisip nyo ba yun, paano ko ikaw yun? Kaya naisip ko rin diba? Na may terrorist who's trying to, blackmail you. Yun yung mga pinag-uusapan namin during our PRP training before. Paano kunwari? Meron ikaw yung manager ng BSL3, may tumatawag sa you're receiving threats. Nangyayari daw yun sa south of the country. Na they're receiving threats. Diba? And telling you na hindi mo ibigay sa amin, ganito yung kulay ng kotse mo, or yung kulay nung naghatid sa anak mo. Diba? How would you be able to handle it? Diba? Isipin mo yun. And hindi nga yun ma-predict or ma-assess at the time.